Okay, this is my '05 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 V8 in it. There's the mileage, 319,444 miles. A lot of miles on it. And I'm getting ready to put in the TriboTEX. This is actually going to be my second treatment of it. I did so about, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, I guess. I treated it and was real happy with the product. And been quite a while, got a lot of more miles on it, so I thought I would treat it again. I live out here in the country. Truck does about 50 miles a day going back and forth to work. Here's what he sounds like, looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put her in there and get this treatment going on it. Getting a TriboTEX transmission treatment. Just did the oil. Truck has over 315,000 miles on it. It's actually the second treatment for the oil treatment, which I just put in. And now it's also going to have it in the transmission. I don't think they had the transmission treatment out when I first did the first treatment on it. But I like the product. It's kept this old engine alive. Okay, this is my '05 Chevy Silverado. Just a little short of 500 miles since I put TriboTEX in it. And seems to be doing better. This is my second time that I put TriboTEX in it. I did so when it first came out. And this is my second time. And I also put it in the transmission this time. And we're going to see what the motor sounds like now. '05 Chevy Silverado with almost 320,000 miles on it. Motor's never been opened up, just normal service. I've replaced the alternator and water pump, stuff like that on it over time. But that's it. And I think it's remarkably quieter. Runs better, has more pickup. Doing pretty good.